Welcome to our video today. I will tell you how to download and play games on your Android TV in 2025. No nonsense, no outdated shortcuts. First, forget those old versions telling you to sideload random APKs or hack your way through. It's 2025. Google's own Play Store is built right in. From your Android TV home screen, scroll to apps, open the Google Play Store, browse games, or tap search for what you want. Then hit install or buy. That's it, you're done. Use the Play Games app to launch your titles and grab a Bluetooth controller when possible. As many top titles shine with one. If you don't see certain games show up in your store, don't panic. It usually means your Android TV is running an older version of Android TV OS or has limited hardware support. So make sure your system is updated to the latest firmware. And yes, cloud gaming is now an option. Platforms like Boosteroid let you stream high-end titles instantly. No hardware upgrade required. So skip the sketchy APK sites and stick to these safe and powerful routes to gaming on your Android TV. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more useful guides like this.